Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. This is a ready for occupancy unit here in Amanigram located in Buhangin, Davao City. So this is a project by Grand Land Incorporated owned by the Gaisano Group of Companies. As you can see, yes, this is a ready for occupancy with complete finished. The tiles is really good and high quality, and of course, naka-fully painted na rin in the final coating, and meron na rin tayong free na, yes, modular kitchen cabinets, diba? And of course, yung lalagyan ng aircon is already ready here, and of course, meron din tayo, yan, for the bathroom, of course, yung mga, yes, utilities natin dito and other lalagyan ng toiletries are already given. And yes, and yung door natin is naka-glass. Yes, so maganda and very, very suitable sa growing families. Yes, who would wanted to reside here in Davao. Pwede din ito for Airbnb because this is just a few minutes away from Davao International Airport. And when I say a few minutes, that is really 10 minutes. Ayan, yung pinakamatagal kasi talagang super lapit lang nito sa International Airport ng Davao City. So what are you waiting for? You avail this unit while still available. So sa makauna lang dito. And before I forget, sila yung condo na ang kanilang balcony is meron na nakalagay na screen door. So, it will allow you to have your doors open so you can save your electricity kung gusto mong pumasok dito yung sariwang hangin because hindi na papasok yung langaw or any mosquitoes kasi naka-screen door ka na. So, what are you waiting for? You grab this unit while last.